Speaking of pretty art, I have gifts.
Gifts? We get gifts? No.
Oh my god.
How?
It's original art. I mean, it's just my merchandise.
I wanna see where. Yes.
You're gonna get it soon.
Ja.
Lahko odpremo zdaj to.
Yeah. You can. It's basically lucky bags.
Nice.
You're gonna have to choose which one. Pač,
Oh my god,
mislila
sreča.
sem, da pač nimam ful specifičnih fandomov, ki jih imate radi, tako da it's a surprise in lahko med sabo malo menate, odvisen od komu kaj je všeč.
Tisto, kar bom jaz izbral, it's gonna be mine.
Damo,
Vi se kar zbete zdaj.
damo Juvanu ta prvi pik.
Prvi pik. Ojoj.
Da vidim.
Okay. Oh,
Lucky bag.
let's go.
Unbanned.
Middle.
Lucky bag. I also sell lucky bags at art tables.
Marko, levo ali desno?
Gambling
Levo.
is very
Fuck,
fun.
ti pa moram jaz desno.
But you always get something, ne? Pač to je.
Lucky bag.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Ne vem, če se vidi, ampak it's a small kitty and with a bow too.
Something is in.
Oh, nice.
So
Something
cute.
is in.
Kdo?
No.
Kaj si dobo
Kaj si
lepega,
dobil?
Juvi?
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
Hell yeah.
It's this girl, right?
Is this
V
one?
bistvu res sem res, ja.
Move,
Your
ja.
own private.
Nice.
Oh,
Spet move.
move.
Nikoli nisem
She's
opazil,
pa take
kako velik
shoe.
buba je to.
Ne, vedno drugačno.
Okay.
Ja, vedno drugačno. She's quite flat as a VTuber.
I got the summer version.
To imam jaz doma.
To pa ni move, to je pa Spooky Cat, tista,
Oh,
ki
wait,
me
there are more
je
things
in
inside.
spirit. Ja, many things.
Oh my
Še, okej.
Oh,
Apparently more,
yes.
yes.
I don't know who this character
To je pa Negro, my
Yes.
manager.
Ta
okay.
zadeva je to cute. A ni to tudi neki na eno risbo tvojo sem videl, kjer there is a small bunny thingy on her butt.
Holy shit.
It kinda look like this.
Na kapci je tudi v
ja.
tisti, vidiš?
Oh, yes.
It's basically her little kitty friends.
So this is so good.
Wow.
Evo, to so
zakon.
njeni, to so njeni ornamenti iz las.
Oh my god, I got Pokemon. I got Pokemon.
A to Dio Brando?
Ja.
Oh,
So
čak.
good. Dio.
I got Mu with a hearty.
Čak, ta pa je. Mislim, vem, da je z Minecrafta, to je.
Endermaid.
Endermaid. Oh my god.
Hudo, hvala.
Prosim.
Hvala Mu.
Za mogo
Yes,
okvir
thank you
primeren,
very
toliko
much.
velik vzeti, da bom lahko tole noto spravil še.
That's
Pa še
all.
stikerji, evo.
Ja.
To imam
To
pa,
je pa isto od...
ta
Ja.
sticker,
Damn.
yeah, the two stickers and this one, to imate vsi, the thank you card.
Yep.
It's actually a thank you,
Furby.
but I made it look Japanese.
Oh, thank you.
Evo.
It's actually just in English,
And a
thank you.
bunch of move. Yes.
Ja, to vedno dam zraven, če kdo kaj naroči online, spletno.
Ta clothing mi je
Nice.
toliko všeč. It's like it's
Ja, ful je dober, ta kimono
good.
je tak neverjeten.
so good.
God damn it, gotta find
ne-
more frames
Ne vem,
now.
če se vidi v kadru, ampak it's
Wow.
very cute.
Meni bo sten zmanjkati.
This goes in...
Jaz imam okvirje, pa imam not slike od artistov različnih, pa vsako sezono, ko pridejo novi anime ven, ne, vsake 3 mesece pač zamenjam risbe not v mojih okvirjih. Tako da menjam skozi slike. To je drugače dosti v moji familiji, moj dedek je tudi slikar in vedno, ko nove slike naredi in preden jih proda, jih da na steno v dnevni, da ima, tako skozi jih mena, it's pretty fun.